Hello, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm doing great, ma'am. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm good. I'm good. Good to see you.
Same here, ma'am.
Yeah. How was your day shaping up?
My day was good.
Okay. Great. Great. Okay. And yeah. So our topic for today is being sick costing a lot. That is, if you fall sick, is it becoming very expensive? That is the name of the topic. So, would you like to go ahead with this topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Great. So, there is a popular saying or a popular proverb in English which says that prevention is better than cure, right? The more you try to prevent, you know, diseases, that will be better than the cure, because to cure something, you need to also pay a lot of money, right? How true is that in today's world? My question is, prevention is better than cure. How much do you believe in this statement?
Yeah. Uh, I believe much on this statement because when you get sick once, so easily you don't get well and healthy. So if you prevent uh, your uh, your sickness, it it uh, actually it's a need to everyone to prevent to from to get the sickness.
Yeah.
If you are doing lot of work
Okay.
and if you are doing a lot of work uh, a entire day and don't take rest, so and the at the end of the day you feel uh, uneasy and headache and pain in your body. And
Correct.
yeah, it would it would be the sign of the fever. You
Correct.
will get the fever. So when you take rest during the work, so it means you prevent yourself to get disease.
You prevent
You
yourself from getting diseases, right? You
from get
prevent
yeah,
yourself from getting diseases. Very good.
disease.
Oh,
So,
so
and then you get the fever, then you have to take medicine, and after then you will have to take rest. So
right.
take rest during the work and do work after some time, and
Oh,
it is good for you and your family as well.
okay. So whenever we visit doctors, okay, even for a regular checkup, they advise us that eat healthy food, exercise regularly.
Yeah,
Why do you think they advise us? And how can this help us save money on medical bills?
yeah. Um, to be honest, ma'am,
Yeah.
our body requires nutrition and proteins, minerals.
Yeah.
When we take proper nutrition and protein minerals whatever it needs, and it will be fulfilled, so we we don't get sick. So always doctor advise us eat healthy food and do yoga. When you do
Yeah.
yoga regular, your your body will be active to do anything, your mind is also active, and you uh, sick don't feel sickness and uneasy to do anything. So
Okay. You don't feel
exercise
uneasy. Right.
and eat healthy food is very important to our body.
Correct. Right. So, and it can help us also in saving our money, right? Otherwise, if
Yeah,
you fall
yeah,
sick, what happens? The medical bills are so expensive nowadays. Not even
yeah,
families can afford them, right?
yes,
So,
yes, ma'am.
what do you think? Medical facilities have become very expensive, right? Today.
Yeah,
Can
yeah,
you
ma'am.
give some examples, from your observation and experience?
Okay, yeah. In earlier time, I would like to the fee of the doctor. Earlier time, doctor's fees is 100 rupees and 200 rupees.
Yeah.
Now that time, you visit the doctor, the fee of doctor is uh, around 1,000. When you visit the specialist doctor, the fee of the doctor is more than 1,000.
Yeah.
So it is so costly when it comes to medical facility. And when we yeah, and any patient go visit to the doctor, and
Okay.
from the beginning doctor advise do some uh, test, blood test, and body checkup, and these are also so expensive for
Yeah.
any middle class family to afford that.
Correct.
And when it's come to about the medicine, and medicine is also high rise on the, I don't know, getting
Medical.
expensive.
Yeah. So the medical bills are rising, right? I mean,
Yeah.
with all the, it goes on increasing. Okay.
Yes,
Medical
ma'am.
bills are rising. Okay. So, we always, doctor also tells us, even adults tell us, you need to take care of yourselves, right?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
see, we also have seen people who have accidents at home, not just outside. See, outside, of course, when you go out of your house, you have to be careful. But what about in the house? Sometimes you're walking so fast that you bang your leg against a table or against a sofa, and then maybe you have had a hairline fracture on your toe, or maybe you have injured your knee, right? So, or sometimes while chopping, this is very common amongst ladies, right? When
Yeah.
we are working in the
Yes.
kitchen, you can, basically you can cut your finger. Or so what can we do to prevent accidents at home, like falling or cutting?
Just make sure to do anything. You have to be take care of yourself, like when you are cutting, when you are chopping any vegetable.
Okay.
So chop uh, attentively, carefully, chop
Yes.
carefully. Uh, mm, and though I think nowadays I'm also doing the same thing when I watch TV while chopping my vegetables, and and while singing a music. So we lost in that scenario. So
Yeah.
yeah, sometimes, and it it is happen when we are in hurry, like every morning every ladies are busy to do everything at a same time. So we are hurry, so we have to be careful about that, and be prevent to get any injury.
Correct. Yeah, I guess, like, we have to be a little careful, right? We really need to be a little careful. And as you said, watching TV, when you're doing one work, you complete that work, then go to the other work.
Yeah.
Watching TV is also a job. When you're watching TV, you can definitely cut your finger, or you might bang yourself somewhere. So I think at one time, do one task. If you're watching
Yes.
TV, only watch TV, or if you're, doing some work, only concentrate on that work. So I agree with you on that. Yeah. Okay. So another thing that comes to my mind is, you know also, now see, for example, now it is supposed to be the rainy season, right? And earlier it was summer, and then when we have November or December is going to be winter. How important is it to wear weather appropriate clothes?
Yeah, it's very important to weather appropriate clothes.
Okay.
When we wear appropriate clothes, so it can help to prevent the disease. Like
Okay.
in a winter, we wear woolen clothes, so woolen clothes are help to uh, warm,
Okay.
help to be warm in a
Yeah,
winter.
so winter clothes like sweater help to keep us warm. Help to keep us warm. Okay.
Yeah, help to keep us warm. And in a summer season, we wear cotton clothes, so it it helps to keep our cool. So
Okay.
clothes are where uh, clothes plays vital role
Okay.
to be uh, to be proven
Okay.
to get any disease,
Okay.
any
Okay.
sickness. Sorry, any sickness.
Okay. What about in summers? What kind of clothes should people wear?
Clothes, cotton clothes. We should wear cotton clothes, and cotton is a cool, uh, like cotton is cool fiber.
Yeah.
So
Correct.
uh, it is it help us to be cool
Of the
and
correct.
easily soak the sweating from our body and keep us healthy.
Correct. Right. Yeah. So I agree with you. Yes. So so another thing that comes to my mind is, see now anything happens. Okay. Now COVID was there, like COVID-19 was there, and one thing what we consistently heard is importance of maintaining hygiene, right? Washing
Yeah,
hands before eating and after using the washroom. So what kind of safety precautions did you take during COVID-19?
yeah. Uh, I took lot of safety precautions during the COVID-19, such as washing hands before eating the food, before coming out the washroom, and before entering the home when we went go somewhere. So
Okay.
yeah, I would like to share my the scenario during the COVID-19. I went when I went to when I went to market to bring anything like grocery stuff. So when I before entering my room, I got sanitizer sprayed on me on my hand. Then I got entered into the home and changed my clothes, washed properly for a 1 minute, and then I touch anything at my home. Then I sat on at any place. So
Okay.
these are the thing what I did COVID-19 during COVID-19.
Okay. So, how did you manage actually? Because we were having so much of difficulty. How were you getting your things and all?
Yeah, ma'am. First of all, we did not go outside uh, uh, as usually. We
Okay.
go only uh, yeah, daily. Yeah,
Correct.
uh, yeah, and we went outside only once in a week, twice in a week. When
Okay.
we needed anything, then we made a list. Then we went and took
Correct.
yeah,
Correct.
or brought anything, and then and after coming back, we washed all the stuff in a liquid, yeah, or we sanitize all the stuff. Then we use
Correct.
all the that thing,
Correct.
and we covered when we go outside the outside in the market. We covered ourselves fully, like our face, hair, all body part, and wear gloves on my hand. Then I went to market.
Okay. So we used to dress up so much and go
Yeah,
to mask and
yeah,
all that. My
yes,
God.
ma'am.
But
Yes, ma'am.
now we do you do that?
No, ma'am, because now there is not a fear of COVID-19, and now people are chill about the any virus, that kind of virus.
Correct. But what do you think? COVID-19 should not have been the only reason, right? Because these problems, I mean, if you are not clean, for anyone, if they are not clean, you know, so what do you think? I mean, even if COVID-19 is not there, we have to be clean and hygienic, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. We should follow the safety. We should follow the safety rules about the hygiene. Like before eating, wash our hand, and after eating also we should wash our hand. And when you get up, you bath daily and cut your nails, because in the nails we have uh, lot of germs in our hand. And yeah, germs also available in our teeth. So we should keep, if we want to keep ourselves healthy, so we should follow all the safety rules.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So, Kalpana, you have spoken wonderfully today. Okay. And, I would say that compared to last time, your confidence also was there. Is it because of the topic? I don't know. Is it because of the topic, my dear? Because you like the
No, ma'am.
topic?
Nah.
फॉलिंग सिक बीमार होना और पैसे का मतलब बिल जो ज्यादा आता है, इज इट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Because I have passed from that scenario, through the
Okay.
scenario. So yeah,
You have gone through
I
this before. You have gone
yeah,
through this before,
yeah,
right?
I have gone through these kind of scenarios. So I am experienced about that.
Correct. Yeah, yeah, I agree with you. Okay. So let me give you the feedback, dear. See, you are very good. Okay. Your communication is also good because what I saw last time compared to that, you spoke more. Last time you were a little hesitant, thoda sa wo nervousness tha, but this time that is not there. Okay. You
Yeah,
spoke what came to your mind. You were able to convey what you wanted to say. Okay. So full marks to you on that. Now, where I feel you need to work on is first try to get more vocabulary. Okay. Last time I had recommended certain applications. Have you downloaded those? Download that and also start reading articles. See, you need words, vocabulary you need. So if you have the vocabulary, and then when you come in here for the next session, what we can do is, we can have a discussion. Maybe I can ask you to frame some sentences. So, I can also correct your sentence formation wherever you're going wrong. Okay. This way I will be able to guide you. Okay. So start reading articles. I had already mentioned the applications to you. I had also told you about the dictionary app, right? So download that. See, because those applications are effective, and I know you're busy because homemakers are most busiest even compared to a working woman, because working women, okay, they go to office, they come back at home, and then they are resting because they have someone else is doing. But for a homemaker, she is everything, for a house. But even when you're in the kitchen, when you are probably cooking, or you listen to music, right? So play the podcast, listen to it. That also is going to be helpful. Fine.
yeah, yeah, ma'am. Yeah, I gave you a example. I chop, I chop while listening music, but
Yeah.
I don't listen music. I listen only a conversation video in my kitchen.
Correct. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I agree with you. So, anyways, thank you so much, Kalpana, for joining my session and hoping to see you soon. It's always a pleasure talking to you. Yeah,
Yeah,
I'll see you
ma'am.
soon. Bye, dear. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Bye, bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye,
Take care.
bye.
Bye.